So today I'll be discussing the topic of decimals.
So what are decimals?
Decimals are numbers consisting of a whole number and a fractional part separated by a decimal point. Decimals are usually written in this format. We have the thousands place, the hundreds place, the tens place, the ones place, and after that we have the decimal point, followed by the tenths place, the hundredths place, and the thousandths place.
Let's start off with an example.
We have 3519.609. This number is pronounced as 3,519.609 thousandths.
Here's another example.
628.73. This number is pronounced as 628 and 73 hundredths.
Let's do another example.
Here we have 836.8. This number is pronounced as 836 and 8 tenths.
Here's another example.
Here we have 25.000. Because each number after the decimal point is a 0, we drop these decimal places and we're left with 25.
So let's review.
The tenths place represents a place value of 1/10 of the whole, which equals 0.1. The hundredths place represents a place value of 1/100th of the whole, which equals 0.01. And the thousandths place represents a place value of 1,000th of the whole, which equals 0.001. Now I will explain to you the types of decimals, which are terminating and non-terminating.
Let's start with terminating decimals.
Terminating decimals are rational numbers. Some examples are 1.92 and 6.73. Notice that these two examples can be expressed as fractions.
Now let's talk about non-terminating decimals.
There are two types of non-terminating decimals: repeating and non-repeating. Repeating decimals are known as rational numbers, while non-repeating decimals are known as irrational numbers. An example of a non-terminating repeating decimal is 92.3 repeating. An example of a non-terminating, non-repeating decimal is 3.14159 ...
So I've given you three decimals here on the board.
Number 1, 48.317. Number 2, 83.2 repeating. And number 3, 2.71828 ...
You are to figure out whether each of these decimals are non-terminating or terminating. You may pause the video and work on these decimals and comment below, and I will present you with the answers afterwards. All right, let's go over the decimals here on the board. Number 1, we have 48.317. This is a terminating decimal. Number 2, we have 83.2 repeating. Because there's a repeat sign, this will be a non-terminating decimal. Number 3, we have 2.71828 ... Because there is no end to this decimal, this is a non-terminating decimal. And those are the answers. This concludes our lesson for today on decimals. I am the Math Wiz, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.